New Claude free updates are insane. Anthropic just made a move that nobody saw coming. They took the features people were paying for and gave them away for free. Memory, connectors, scheduled tasks, skills, file creation, all of it, free plan right now. And while most people are still on the old version of Claude, just typing questions and getting answers, a small group already figured out how to use these updates to completely change how they work. I'm going to show you exactly what these features are, how they work, and how to set them up today. Because if you're not using these yet, you're using a much weaker version of Claude than you need to be. Hey, I'm Julian, AI educator. I help people learn and actually implement AI tools in their day-to-day work. Let's get into it. Let's start with the one that changes everything about how Claude feels to use: memory. Here's the problem with most AI tools. Every conversation starts from zero. The AI doesn't know your name, your job, your preferences, or what you've already told it 100 times before. So you waste the first few minutes of every session re-explaining yourself just to get to the point where it can actually help you. That's gone now. Claude rolled out memory to the free plan, and it's a bigger deal than it sounds. Once it's on, Claude starts building a picture of you over time, your role, your communication style, your ongoing projects, how you like things formatted. It picks this up from your conversations and saves it. So the next time you open Claude, it already knows who you are and how you work. No setup, no re-explaining, just straight into the work. To turn it on, go to settings, find the memory section, and enable the option to generate memory from your chats. From there, Claude handles it. You can go back and review what it's saved, edit anything that's off, or delete entries you don't want. Keep an eye on those entries every now and then, so Claude is always working from accurate information. There's also something worth knowing if you've been using another AI tool and already have your preferences saved there. Claude built an import tool at claude.com import memory. You can pull your memory over from other AI providers, so you're not starting from scratch. Your context moves with you now. Memory on its own is useful, but it's what happens when you pair it with connectors that things start to get really interesting. Connectors are integrations that let Claude access and work directly inside the tools you already use, not summarize what you paste in, not respond to descriptions, actually go into your tools and work with the live data that's already there: Gmail, Google Calendar, Slack, Notion, Canva, Figma, Asana, and over 150 more spanning coding, design, data, finance, sales, and beyond, all available on the free plan now. Think about what that actually changes. Right now, if you want Claude to help with your emails, you copy them in. If you want help with a project, you describe it. If you want a calendar summary, you type it out yourself. Connectors cut all of that out. Claude can just go and look. The technology behind this is called the Model Context Protocol, MCP for short. Anthropic open sourced it, which means developers around the world are building new integrations constantly. The list of supported tools will keep growing. Setting one up takes about 30 seconds. Go to settings, then connectors, browse the directory, find the tool you use, and hit connect. You'll go through a standard login and permissions screen where you choose exactly what Claude can access. Once that's done, you can use it straight away in any conversation. Ask Claude to check your Gmail for anything from a specific client this week, summarize it, and flag what needs a reply. Ask it to look at your calendar and find you a block of focused time. Ask it to pull everything in your Notion workspace related to a project you're working on. These are the kinds of tasks connectors are built for. Start with one tool, get comfortable with how it behaves, then add more. Before I get to the last feature, I want to mention something. When I was first trying to figure out how to put all of this together, I kept hitting the same wall. Learning a feature is one thing. Knowing which features to combine and how to build a workflow that actually holds up is a completely different skill. That's when I found AI Profit Boardroom is a community of over 2,000 people, all focused on learning how to use AI effectively. Real workflows, real use cases, real feedback on what's working and what's not. If you want a shortcut, a lot of the trial and error, check it out. Link is in the description. All right, scheduled tasks. This is the one I want you to really pay attention to. Scheduled tasks are available through Claude's co-work feature. The idea is simple. You set up a task, tell Claude what to do, connect the tools it needs, set a schedule, and Claude runs it automatically without you being there to trigger it. Daily email summaries, weekly reports pulled from your connected tools, regular check-ins on specific projects. These are the kinds of workflows scheduled tasks are designed to handle. A few things worth knowing before you dive in. This feature is still relatively new, so go in with realistic expectations. Start with something simple and clearly defined. One task, one or two connected tools, a clear instruction, test it, review the output, adjust it, then build from there. All right. Trying to automate something complex on the first attempt usually ends up needing more fixing than it saves. To set one up, go into Cowork and create a new scheduled task. Write out what you want Claude to do in plain language. Connect the tools it needs through your connectors panel. Set your schedule. You can also have Claude show you its plan before it runs so you can review and approve it. Once you're confident in how it's running, you can let it go independently. One setting worth changing now. In your settings, switch tool access to auto. That way Claude can choose which tools it needs for a task on its own without you having to approve each one manually. It makes automated workflows run much more smoothly. When you put memory, connectors, and scheduled tasks together, the way you use Claude starts to look very different. Memory means Claude knows your context. Connectors mean Claude can access your tools. Scheduled tasks mean Claude can run work on a regular cadence without you having to start it each time. You could connect your Gmail, your calendar, and your project workspace, create a morning task, and have Claude produce a daily briefing that pulls from all three. The pieces are there to build something like that. How well it works depends on how clearly you define the task and which tools you're connecting. Start small, see how it behaves, and layer on complexity once you know it's working the way you want. The point isn't to remove yourself from your work. The point is to remove yourself from the parts of your work that don't need you. The information gathering, the summarizing, the routine checks. So when you do sit down to work, you're already up to speed and working on the things that actually require your thinking. Quick thing before the recap. Claude also made skills free for everyone. Skills let you save your preferences as a set of instructions Claude always follows. Your tone for emails, your formatting for reports, your brand guidelines for content. You set it up once and Claude applies it every time it's relevant. No more re-explaining how you like things. No more reformatting outputs that came back in the wrong style. So here's everything that's now on the free plan. Memory, so Claude knows your context across conversations. Over 150 connectors to your actual work tools. Scheduled tasks through Cowork for automated recurring work. Skills for consistent outputs. File creation for downloadable documents. And context compaction so long conversations don't get cut short. Set up your memory and connect your first tool today. Seriously, 10 minutes. And Claude becomes a noticeably more useful tool. If you want to go deeper on any of this, AI Profit Boardroom has over 2,000 people sharing real experiences with exactly these kinds of workflows. What's working, what isn't, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip, no hype, just people doing the work and sharing what they find. Link is in the description. And if you want SOPs, use cases, and the full step-by-step process, the AI Success Lab has all of that plus a community of over 58,000 members. Video notes, templates, everything. Links in the description and comments. Subscribe if you want to stay on top of updates like this. There's a lot more coming. I'll see you in the next one.